and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you another simple recipe that I'm calling salty versus a sweet snack wrap. The sweet wrap, I am going to be making a Nutella and cheesecake filling. I am going to mimic the flavor of the cheesecake by simply using cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla. I am also going to be using Nutella and a little bit of milk. For our salty wrap, I am going to be filling it with pepperoni slice and white cheddar cheese. Also, to create our wraps, we're going to be using today flour tortillas, butter, we're going to need a pan and a bowl to where we're going to be mixing our ingredients.